James Sanchez was just 16 years old when he was shot and killed back in 2022 at a park in Catalina. Today, one of the accused killers, Joseph Nolan, was in court today during jury selection. KGUN 9's Andrew Christensen's at the Superior Court in downtown and has details on the trial.
James Sanchez was just 16 years old when he was shot and killed. One of the murder suspects, Joseph Nolan, was in court on Monday. That's when 12 jury members and alternates were picked for his trial, and right after the judge considered whether to bring in people to testify. In June 2022, Melissa Gomez lost her son, James Sanchez.
Always trying to cheer people up.
I met his family last July and went to his dedication last August on what would have been his 19th birthday.
And now it's a day of sadness.
An investigation led to 5 arrests for Sanchez's death. 2 in the case have trials pending, and 2 others have been sentenced to prison. On Tuesday, the murder trial for 24-year-old Joseph Nolan started.
They didn't have a heart.
Nolan is facing 5 counts, including attempted first-degree murder and aggravated robbery.
But I will allow the defense.
After jury selection, the judge said he would allow the defense to bring in Sanchez's mother, Melissa Gomez, to testify. The prosecution is still considering it. The judge is still waiting to decide on whether or not to bring in another person tied to the case to testify. On Tuesday, Sanchez's family declined an interview, but I talked with his mom, Melissa Gomez, in July. She says since many of the accused were teens at the time, it can make the case complicated.
It feels like a game of chess. You don't know who's going to win, and you feel like you're on the losing end because of their age.
What would you say to them?
You should pay the consequences.
And the trial continues on Wednesday and is expected to wrap up by Friday. Andrew Christensen, KGUN 9.